Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up object fields access, and we will see how can we set up access for profiles on object fields level. Let's see. Let's assume we have a custom object named lesson I created before. We use the search box for searching lesson object. We go to section fields and relationship, and I've just created the new field name type. This is for setting lesson type, and this is the pick list field. I want to set up access for this field for a specific group of users. I join them to the custom profile. Let's go to profiles, users section, and here profiles. Let's use alphabetic search here. Here is my custom teacher profile. So any teachers users are joined to this profile. When we dive into this profile, we can search for required object here in the search box. So let's find our lesson object. Lesson, right? And here we can see there is no access on object level yet. So first we need to set object access. And then we can dive into field level. Here, field permission. We search for our new fields and check edit access and read access both. So here we go. We save this setting. And now all the users having teacher profile can access this field on lesson object, this type field. But what if you need to set up this access for several profiles maybe, or you just created these fields and you're in this object manager tab and you don't want to go to profiles? Let's return to this object. You don't need to go to the profiles. You just can open this field type and use this set field level security button on the object manager, on the object, on the field level, right? Here we can see all the profiles list, and we can find our required profile. This is teacher. It's already checked to have access because we set up it from different place. But if it were not, we would check it here. We can set view access, or we can set the read-only access as well. We can save it and set up from here. Here we are. We learned how to set up fields access from two different points of view in Salesforce. So if you want to set up several objects, several fields for the same profile, you go to the profile view and set up from there. But if you just created a new field and you want to set up this access for several different profiles, it's more useful to go to the object view. See you next lesson.